The 2017 Mercedes COMAND system integrates essential car functions like audio, navigation, and climate control. Over time, issues like touchscreen unresponsiveness or Bluetooth connectivity problems can occur. There are two primary reset methods, a soft reboot and a factory reset. A soft reboot, done by holding the power button for 10 seconds or restarting the ignition, clears temporary glitches without erasing data. A factory reset, accessed via the system's hidden menu, often by pressing NAV or setup buttons in sequence, restores default settings, wiping personalized data like radio presets. It's crucial for persistent issues but requires repairing devices. Always perform resets with the vehicle parked to avoid distractions. Consult your owner's manual for specific steps, as they can vary between NTG 5.0 and NTG 5.1 versions. If your 2017 Mercedes COMAND touchscreen is unresponsive, begin by cleaning the screen thoroughly. Use a soft microfiber cloth with a gentle screen cleaner, avoiding harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. If cleaning doesn't help, attempt a soft reboot. Turn off the vehicle completely, wait 30 seconds, then restart it. This clears temporary glitches without erasing your data. If the issue persists, a factory reset may be necessary. Access the hidden service menu by pressing Setup and Return buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. Then navigate to System and select Factory Reset. Note that this will erase personalized data like radio presets and phone pairings. After the reset, recalibrate the touchscreen using Mercedes Diagnostic app or the Star Diagnostic system if available. This restores accurate touch response. Many users have successfully fixed frozen touchscreens using this method, avoiding expensive dealership repairs. Remember that underlying hardware faults might require professional intervention. Experts recommend factory resets every 50,000 miles to maintain system performance. If Bluetooth connectivity becomes an issue, try the simple reboot method. Turn off the vehicle, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on.